Hi, dear students. Today my intention is to talk on, you can look at the blackboard, descending tracts. Let us understand what is descending tracts. I'll be very happy if I can tell you in a right way what is descending tracts. Let us draw a diagram. ये आप देख रहे हैं. This is the midbrain, then pons, and this is the cerebral cortex. This is cerebellum. Now this is the midbrain, pons, and then medulla, and this is obviously this is spinal cord. Our aim is to talk on descending tracts. Ascending tracts आप सभी को समझ में आ गया. It is the group of neuron having common origin and having common termination, and all the fibers will remain in the central nervous system, brain and spinal cord, and will carry information from periphery towards the center. That is ascending tract. लेकिन आज जो बताना है वो है descending tract. Now, if we draw the diagram of ascending tract, here we have the receptors. Here we have the receptors. Then here we have the neuron which will carry information to the central nervous system. According to our definition about ascending tract, it is the fiber, it is the sensory fiber, it is the neural fiber which carry information from periphery towards the center, having common origin and common termination in the central nervous system. That is the ascending tract. That I have drawn the diagram of ascending tract. This is first order neuron. This is second order neuron, and this is third order neuron. Means what I want to tell you is whole ascending tract is made by three type of neuron. One is first order neuron, second order neuron, and third order neuron. लेकिन descending tract, it is the fiber which is originated here, and then carrying information. This is the cell body, carrying information from center towards periphery, and then it is the fiber which carry the information from center towards the periphery, and ultimately controlling the activity of the muscles, activity of the glands, activity of the muscles present in all over the body. Now, जो डायग्राम मैंने ड्रॉ किया है, this is called upper motor neuron and this neuron is called lower motor neuron. Means मेरा ये कहना है कि ये जो descending tract आप देख रहे हैं, this descending tract is made by two type of neuron. One is upper motor neuron, another is lower motor neuron. Upper motor neuron carry information from center towards the nuclei present in the spinal cord, and then from here we have another neuron which can carry the activity of the muscles. Now coming to the descending tract, if we want to classify the descending tract, it is the cortical tract, it is the pyramidal tract, and extrapyramidal tract. Now again, pyramidal tract is divided into two: corticospinal tract, corticospinal tract, and another is corticobulbar tract, bulbar tracts. This corticobulbar tract, again, another name of this corticobulbar tract is corticonuclear tract. Corticonuclear tract. Now, this extrapyramidal tract, actually, if we classify extrapyramidal tract, then this extrapyramidal tract are classified into four categories. One is rubrospinal tract, starts from red nucleus. Rubrospinal tract. This is the tract. This is the tract. It is the rubrospinal tract. Starts from the red nucleus present in the midbrain. Then we have the ponto-reticulospinal tract. Nucleus present in the pons. Meduloreticular spinal tract and vestibulospinal tract. Vestibulospinal tract. मैं फिर से रिपीट कर रहा हूं, एक्स्ट्रा पिरामिडल ट्रैक्ट इज दैट ट्रैक्ट which is originated not from cerebral cortex. सेरिब्रल कॉर्टेक्स से इसकी ओरिजिन नहीं होती है. सेरिब्रल कॉर्टेक्स से नीचे जो पोर्शन है, चाहे वो मिड ब्रेन है, चाहे पॉन्स है, चाहे मेडुला है, वहां से ओरिजिन होती है. तो वहां से मान लो ये रेड न्यूक्लियस मिड ब्रेन में है, तो उसी के नाम से इसको कहा जाता है रूब्रोस्पाइनल ट्रैक्ट. देन अगर ये पॉन्स से होती है, ponto-reticulospinal tract, medulo-reticulospinal tract, and then vestibulospinal tract. So what are the functions of extrapyramidal tract? As we all know, mainly descending tract are concerned with the balance, concerned with the movement. We are running, we are walking, our limbs are being moved. कोई मसल जो है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होती है, कोई मसल रिलैक्स होती है, उसी से हमारी बैलेंस भी मेंटेन होती है. देन एज फार एज फंक्शंस ऑफ ऑटोनोमिक नर्वस सिस्टम इज कंसर्न, ऑटोनोमिक नर्वस सिस्टम जो है, it controls the activity of the gland, controls the activity of smooth muscle, controls the activity of cardiac muscle. So all these functions are also controlled by the extrapyramidal tract and the pyramidal tract. Coming to the pyramidal tract is actually divided into corticospinal tract and corticobulbar or corticonuclear tract. So corticobulbar, already I have told you, this is upper motor neuron, control the activity of autonomic nervous system. And then corticospinal tract, if it is terminated in the lateral column of the spinal cord, then it is called lateral corticospinal tract, lateral corticospinal tract. And if it is terminated in anterior column, then anterior corticospinal tract. Corticospinal tract is divided into two. One is lateral corticospinal tract, another is anterior corticospinal tract. Diagrammatically, if we look at, this is the spinal cord. This is the spinal cord. This is the spinal cord. Here we have the anterior column. Here we have the anterior column, and here we have the lateral column. This is lateral column, and then it is anterior column. Correct? This is anterior column, and this is lateral column. Now the fibers which are terminated in lateral column. 80% fiber of corticospinal tract are terminated in the lateral column. So we call it lateral corticospinal tract. From here it controls the activity. From here it controls the activity of the cell present in the anterior horn. Now this lateral corticospinal tract, after it is terminated in the ventral horn, terminated in the ventral horn. This is upper motor neuron. This is upper motor neuron. This is upper motor neuron, and from here we have the alpha motor neuron. From here we have alpha motor neuron controlling the muscles, alpha motor neuron controlling the muscles, or it may be gamma motor neuron, controlling the activity of the muscles. So this lateral corticospinal tract is actually 80%, and anterior corticospinal tract, after entering here, it is crossed. After entering here, it is crossed and terminated in the other side of ventral horn. From here also it is coming to the anterior column, and then it is crossed and controlling the activity of ventral horn of the spinal cord. This is 20% fibers. 20%. These anterior corticospinal tract, actually 20% of total fiber. Corticospinal tract, 20% fibers are crossed. Here in the spinal cord it is crossed, but other 80% it is not crossed. It is actually crossed in the medulla, and then it is controlling the activity of the cell bodies which are present in the ventral horn. And this is the upper motor neuron, and this is the lower motor neuron, alpha motor neuron, and gamma motor neuron. I will discuss in details in my next video. Must watch the corticospinal tract, must watch the descending tract, pyramidal tract, or corticospinal tract to get idea about how it is originated, how it is traveled, and where it is terminated, and what is the functions. Hope all of you are understood with the classification and introduction of descending tracts, and I am sure that all of you can understand easily about introduction and classification. Please subscribe. Thank you.